Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this course, we're gonna learn how to fade an LED using a potentiometer. So what we need is obviously a potentiometer, an LED, a breadboard, and an Arduino, sorry, a resistor, and some jumper wires. So let's go and build the circuit. We start with the potentiometer. We put it on the breadboard, and also put uh, the LED on the breadboard. Okay. Uh, Connect the short leg of the LED. So the DNG. Okay. Here you have more closely. The short leg of the LED goes to the GND. Okay. Can you see it? Perfect. Wonderful. The left leg of the potentiometer goes to 5 volt of the Arduino. Correct. Next, the right leg of the potentiometer, the right leg of the potentiometer goes to I'm sorry, let's change this far as this jumper wires. Let's choose one more short. Goes also to the GNG. Let me show you again more closely. Okay. On the middle leg um of the potentiometer, okay, this is the middle legs of the potentiometer, is connected to the analog uh pin A0 or the Arduino. So the middle leg of the potentiometer, let me show you here. The middle leg of the potentiometer is connected to the analog pin of the Arduino. Perfect. Um, the long leg, the long leg of the LED is connected uh, to digital pin number 9. Oh, sorry. Not easy at all. So the long leg of the LED is connected to digital pin number 9. Digital pin number 9. And we supply the circuit with the GNG the Arduino. Okay, right. This is digital pin number 9. Perfect. So I think the circuit is now ready. Let me recap it to you. What we have done here is that uh, we connected the left leg of the potentiometer to the 5 volt of the Arduino, and then the right leg of the potentiometer we connected to the GND, and the middle leg of the potentiometer is connected to the analog pin A0, as you can see it. Okay. the other thing is that the short leg of the uh, LED is connected to the GND through a resistor. The resistor is used here to not fire our LED, because not putting a resistor uh into uh between the LED on the current suppliers, this can let us to fire our LED, and this is not good, and this is money wasting. So to protect the LED, we need to put a resistor between the GND and the LED. Right now, the circuit is now ready. We can go for the coding part. What we need to do here is, first of all, start by initializing or by declaring variables. Here we start by int port pin, sorry, A0, as you can see in the circuit here. So the middle pin of the potentiometer is connected the analog pin of to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino, and then the LED pin is connected to the digital pin number 9. Now we need to wait once the circuit is connected. We need to wait pin mode. Let's say uh pin mode pin mode. This is, let me copy this and pass it here. Okay, this is an output. Good. And we need to read the serial monitor value, because we will print each values in the serial monitor. So serial begin 9600. They start uh we start serial communication. Okay, that's all. Let's go for the loop function. Now what we need to do is int uh put value, sorry, analog wait. We wait uh value that the potentiometer will take. This goes from 0 to 1023. Int brightness. Brightness is mapped. The brightness mapped uh, the part value. The value okay, map. So 1023, or it is converted. Okay, so 255. Okay, analog white, analog white, LED pin. Let's pass it. Brightness, let me copy this and pass it here. Correct. Okay. This this is the PWM output. This is the PWM is output. Now we need to display the values on the serial monitor. Okay. So let me put a comment here. Display value. Display values on serial sorry, on serial monitor. So serial print potentiometer, potentiometer. Then we print the value taken by the potentiometer while playing with it. And also we need to write um, the value given by the LED, let's say brightness, let's say brightness, okay, B, and now print the value, serial, what, serial, print, and let's say brightness, very good, okay, okay, correct, and we need a delay time, which is, let's say 100 milliseconds to upload, to update, sorry, to update 10 times uh, per second. Okay, go ahead. Let's verify our code is there is any error. Oh, it was severe. Okay, yeah, it is severe. There is a missing. A is missed here, so we need to correct this. Which line it is? Line 23. Let's look at it. Yeah, serial. This is serial. That's it. Okay, perfect. Verify it again. Correct. The code is working uh, successfully. Now we can plug our Arduino, and then upload the code. Perfect. Ah, correct. The LED start with a value. We can play the fade to fade our LED. As you can see here, this is ah okay. The display versus monitor. So tools, serial monitor here. Correct. We can read the value here. When we decrease, when we change the value of the serial monitor, when we change the value of the potentiometer, the brightness of the LED can change. It can go up. The LED can bright or more, or it can bright less according to the value taken by the potentiometer. So let's play again with the potentiometer. Turn right, turn left, turn right. Okay, okay, turn left, turn up. This is we we reach the most high value here. You can also read the value on a pretty in the serial monitor here, as you can see. So let's play again. Maybe we can see something. Okay, very good. This is all for this tutorial. Uh, I think we learned something more powerful and more useful. So what we need to know is that using a potentiometer to dim an LED with Arduino is one of the fastest and more useful beginner circuits that you can build while learning Arduino programming. And, and Arduino projects. So thank you for following this tutorial. Hope that it will help you to be more advanced circuit and more advanced projects. So bye bye and see you next with the next course.